Hi, here's how you type up a bunch of invoices like 20, 30, 40, 50 in less than a minute with AI. So you go to Accounts Draft, accountsdraft.com, and go to the Type-Up Invoices, upload your invoices, and open, and then press Process. And let's see how long this takes. There we go. So it's starting. All right, I'll pop back when it's done and show you how long it's actually taken. 82%. Cool. We did that in 36 seconds and we typed up 22 invoices. Let's see what it actually looks like. It's in Excel, of course, because there's no point having it in anything else. Yeah. So let's have a look at what this looks like. Here's all the data. You've got your business name, address, description of the invoice, and your amounts. Let's check a couple, shall we? So we have got demo invoice no tax 9. So demo invoice no tax 9, 1106.06. Cool. Let's hope for the best. 1106.06. Let's check the address. Anconia Corp 181. Cool. Anconia Corp 18144 Baldwin Way. That looks all right to me. Cool. Let's check one of our handwritten ones this time. So this is a handwritten invoice. 225 quid, no tax. So it's this one, isn't it? 225 quid, exterior window cleaning. Yeah, that looks all right to me. No tax. Let's look at the other one, handwritten. Again, 225 quid, but with tax this time. So there's your 225 quid, there's your tax, and there's your 281.25. 281.25. Fantastic. So if you want to type up a bunch of invoices in super quick fashion, maybe you want to do it for your audits or for a set of accounts or whatever you need it for, just go to accountsdraft.com and sign up for free, try it out, and yeah, enjoy.